Are you leaving money on the table in your business? I'm not talking about lost invoices or forgotten expenses. I mean the cash that's just sitting in your current account, earning next to nothing. As a business owner, you want every pound to work as hard as you do, and that's where a dedicated savings solution comes in. Today, we're diving into the Tide Instant Saver account, a simple, flexible way to make your business's idle funds grow. Whether you're saving for a tax bill, new equipment, or simply building a rainy day fund, Tide makes it straightforward to earn a return. Here's a quick guide on how to set it up and all the key benefits you'll unlock. The benefits: why save with Tide? First off, why choose Tide for your business savings? The biggest draw is the interest rate. While rates are variable and tiered based on your balance, Tide offers highly competitive rates on your savings, particularly for their different plans. Check the current rates on the Tide website, but you could be earning a significant return on your surplus cash. Second, it's instant access. This is crucial for a business. Unlike fixed-term accounts that lock your money away, the Tide Instant Saver lets you withdraw funds whenever you need them, without penalty. It offers the perfect balance of growth potential and financial flexibility. Third, it's FSCS protected. Tide partners with Clearbank, meaning eligible deposits are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme up to £85,000. This gives you peace of mind that your hard-earned capital is secure. Finally, it's integrated. If you already use a Tide business account, the savings account slots seamlessly into the app, keeping all your business finances in one easy-to-manage place. Even if you use an external bank, you can still connect it and use the Instant Saver. The setup: 3 simple steps. Setting up your Tide Instant Saver is incredibly easy. Step 1. Get a Tide account. If you don't already have one, you'll need a Tide business account first. This usually takes just a few minutes through the Tide app. You'll need to provide some basic personal and business information and verify your ID. Once your current account is open, you'll automatically have access to the Instant Saver option. Step 2. Open the Saver account. Inside the Tide app, you'll find the option to open your Instant Saver account. It literally takes a couple of taps. The minimum deposit to get started is just £1, so you can begin earning interest almost immediately. Step 3. Fund your savings. Once the savings account is open, simply transfer the funds you wish to save from your Tide current account. Remember, for a limited company, keeping your business's emergency or tax savings separate from your day-to-day spending is an essential practice for clean accounting and clear oversight. And that's it. Your money is now safely set aside and earning interest. The Tide Instant Saver is a powerful, fuss-free tool that takes the passive money in your business and puts it to work. Stop letting your capital sit idle and start benefiting from accessible, protected savings today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.